U Ashwini Srivastava, Joint Secretary Jongkatnat Food and Public Distribution Jongka Sorkar India, mentakasngi Ulawan Banyuk Kejat Haribhoi District, Banwat Jingtip Halor ke Jingpentrekam, Hiki Skim Marbam Kamtam Kerukomsa Miki Rashan, Shiki Pajba. Kani ke Jinglet Jungo Kalasdang da ke Jinglet Jurip ya ka Community Health Center ha Umsau Nongkharai, Hakaba u Srivastava, Ulaya Kren bat kinong tre ka kwat ke khia, bat u officer ban ngotho e ka jingya day, hapleng ki jing shakri hakaliang ka kwat ke khia ki pajba, bat ki program ai jingaram ki bayade bat ki marbang. Nangta ulalet che ka dukan sam Russian, hamautnum, hakaba ulaya kren, bat kinong shong shnong, bat kinong yo jingmentoy banlum ya ka jing ai jingmut, halor ka jing sa miki marbang bakongsan hapo ka PDS. Kibabun kinong yo jingmentoy kila pinpau ya ka jing ngohun ya ka rukom trekam kabla dan lupa Henry kila bu ru ka jing kirpan ban pinrung ya ka shini haka thop jong ki mar Russian ban sam shki pajba namar kumbalong menta ki pajba haka jela kim yo satya ya ka shini Russian ya ka ni ka jinglet jingo la pinkut da ka jingalang kabla long hieng dorbar kushnong paham siem hakaba ki pajba ki bayo jingmentoy bat ki officer na ka district kilaya kren ki jing e bat banang pen bhai ka rukom sa marbam shiki pajba bat ki jing shakri ki ba ka sorkar kan aish ki pajba
ba unya punai bala dia ni layo gin yo sakane ka punai julai
yo bu lu khau yo ka do biang em ka de
nga san kilo sikli ta nga yo lai san kilo na mar
yo yo em khau ba de
ha yo lut
khau ba
ba
udah lo vitamin 45 rice
Kito nong tai sa nong kong ni yong try mo long mom ta hadin bade ngim du bread atangi chetlang pa ha nong kleng kelat u khau de
bang lam khau te
ha bang na du klung
kam ta kam kya em ki i e ha man ta
ngan pen ai kham kun su sa kham is ei so na mar kito ke kumong ti kong mene tu ban nyo kido em don kibri ki bayo tang nyo kilo long
Itu dia yang jong ka
de long ha kisu hidden kam ban yarap ni pading kasini udai kibri berkoi ki yo em udai ta ne pnyang bam jong chana de la yo khao ta lai tang kam lu ka tat dor ngin ha pher
ai kublai ya Sorkar Meghalaya jongi tangkat ru ya ki priu jong ka district Ribhoi jongi ki bade na po ka food and safety na ka banta jongi ki nong chong nong ki ba sa ha po kani ka tham Ribhoi ki ai kublai ru kerpang de na ka banta ka Sorkar India apo ka jingyalam jong Isarna Ramodi ilayo sibun ha di jingirap na ka banta jongi kum ki nong chong nong ki bade jong ka state Meghalaya lengba kane ka jing ai ke jong i yau khau rison bang yo bang i klam ngat ban si pisa watang si tengka kane ka dei ka jing mantoy na kaliang jong i tum kinong song hapo kane ka jela Meghalaya jong i ni ai ku blai ya i sarana i sar mudi ba idang le khamba kat ba idang don kum prime minister hapo ka jela Meghalaya jong i o po ka pari India ku blai shukur.
This visit is basically to review the implementation of our public distribution system. We are distributing free ration to priority household and Antyodaya families, as you are aware. So here we are taking feedback from actual beneficiaries if they are getting their ration in time every month free of cost, and if there is any issue or complaint, so that we want to know from central government side. This approach is basically facilitating us to know the realities at ground level, and also we are visiting ration dukan, that fair price shops. There we are asking if they are getting food delivery, food grain delivery at time, every month, full delivery, and without any charge. Since central government is sponsoring this program, central government ensure that free food grain reach to all ration dukan every month in time, and that is distributed to all eligible families in states. So far, after visiting two fair price shops and interacting with more than 50 beneficiaries, I found that almost all beneficiaries are satisfied with the distribution part. They are getting full quantity. EPOS is working and Aadhaar authentication is there. So they are satisfied. Only one demand is there that they want sugar distribution also. That at present Meghalaya state is not participating in sugar distribution, but there is demand by a few beneficiaries. Thank you.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live stream and dreams. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.